This is our WM560 monitor, and that's my little girl Chloe. So we're outside my house at the moment, and we're just gonna have a little drive and just testing out this camera. Hopefully, obviously it's evening time, so it's the sun's gone down. It's getting quite dark out there now. As you can see, it's a lovely picture still. So obviously we're all in the shadow down here. Lots of bushes and houses blocking any sunlight. But as you can see, it's still a nice picture. So this monitor can accept obviously one camera input. It's a 5-inch screen. It comes with a suction mount, but you can select for a dash mount instead. Obviously a nice little monitor. It's currently hooked up to the Sharp CCD integrated aerial camera. It's a lovely little picture, and we've had this for a number of years, and it's been reliable and lots of people are very happy with it. So we always keep it in our range. I've got the wireless camera with the Sharp CCD sensor. As you can see, we're all in the shade now. It's getting quite late in the evening, but I thought it's nice to show you that the low light sensitivity on the Sharp CCD sensor still performs well. It's worth mentioning the camera is actually mounted quite low. It's on the back of my car. The motorhome's away having a holiday at the moment, so that's the best I could do. Hopefully it shows it off okay.